If you clicked on this video, I'm guessing your home button doesn't work and you're really frustrated. Fear not, this will not take long at all. It's really easy. First things first, let's turn the phone off. We don't want any liquid getting into it when it's on. All you got to do is, if you grab some WD-40, I've used this a year ago and it's lasted that long, and it's really easy. All you got to do is spray a tiny bit just there, then push it down and keep pushing it, and if you keep going just for a few taps, it will start to sink in. I don't know if it's a dry joint or what stops the phone working, but the oil seems to seal it somehow. Give that a wipe and just use a bit of lens cleaner, clean that off. Then I can turn the phone back on, and after a few hits of using the phone, it starts to work really well. As you can see, just works perfectly now. So give it a chance, and thank you for listening. Hope it goes well. Cheers. Bye.